Oh shit.
He doesn't need it now. He needs it eventually.
Free.
Yeah, of course. I had to. Had to flex.
That's why I say hi to it. Go punt it.
Go punt it. You need to control yourself. Let's go. Down this way. Down the stairs. Oh, ooh. Tunnel. Don't like. I never saw that one.
Is that the tunnel?
No, there's another entrance.
All the way down below.
Yeah, there's another entrance down there.
Oh, yeah. There's a few hundred.
Okay, high speed.
Oh, but
Hey, if you go down them steps, we'll lead straight into, but they're all barricaded. So
Oh well.
about one end, and you have to go out the
Go out the same way, right?
But it's pretty cool down there.
Oh, I bet.
Oh, look at shit. Yeah. Get a flashlight.
That's my shitty one.
Some of my eyes.
Yeah, I'm sure it's very nasty in here. This whole place is disgusting. There's quite some fucking characters. Oh, it's squished. The dirt I stepped on squished.
Oh my god, my eyes.
Where are you going now?
It just opens out here again.
Are you going in here?
Oh dear Lord, that's dark. I found the tunnels.
Hey, where'd you just see, Pat? Come on over.
Come down here, boys. Virginity rocks. I want to take pictures like this. Oh, I felt my fucking seal slip.
Hmm?
I felt my mask seal slip. That's gross.
Let it slip.
Yeah, I could feel it moving.
Oh, you gotta do that now.
Your light's on, stupid.
Oh, shit.
Let's go this way.
Come here for top. Come here when it's off, boys.
Oh, this is the one that's sealed. Or not. Okay. That's sketchy. I don't like that. Nah, let's go. Let's look around the outside first.
Ah!
Shut the fuck up. Why are you so fucking retarded?
Because Liam has something on.
They're all open.
No, Liam has something on. What? Come here. Edward.
Yeah, bug.
Yeah.
You scream like that one more fucking time, I'm gonna give you a reason to scream.
I'm sorry.
There's a condom wrapper.
Where?
On the floor. There's a lot of them.
So you found my sex lady.
Ugh.
Someone's dead. Was herself 2017.
A lot of people been fucking back here. Bunch of degenerates. Yeah, here it is. Look at this. Boys, you all can go explore. I'm gonna walk around up top and take a bunch of pictures.
In there?
If you go inside, stay on the radio, keep me posted. But I'm gonna be up here taking pictures for a little while. I wanna get a bunch of pictures of this place.
Let's go, man.
I'll record you entering. Don't go too far because I still want to come in here. I still want to go down there. Don't see it all. Wait, let me record. All right, go. Spooky Search boys entering the catacombs. Godspeed, boys. He has a headlamp.
What's so much better and everything?
Hey. What do you want? It's a probably a ventilation shaft. Yeah, it goes all the way down. So don't stick your head in it. Fucking retard.
And the towers doesn't go back anywhere.
They go out and down, I'm pretty sure.
I thought they went out far.
I don't know how far. I still think that's an urban legend, but if she found it, I mean, I don't know.
According to her, it goes all the way up to Fort Carroll. And even if you looked it up, because I looked it up last night, it used to be a fable, but they think they found it, which is it's over here.
Do you think you could find out where it is based off of what she told you?
Where's the
Yeah,
country?
I know exactly where it is.
There's a barrier out here by the road, but
Yes,
is that what she's talking about? Is the barrier's like right there?
So if you wanted to see about it, you could go see it.
I mean, I'm down for that.
I'm not gonna go out in the middle of the bay.
Well, no shit, we probably won't be able to make it out there.
I mean,
I think we can. I'll do it.
what if we can? Liam does it. He just says.
Whoa.
It's your job. It's your job, Trailblazer.
I'm gonna just slide down.
Okay. Oh god, that's creepy. Yeah, look at that graffiti. Yeah, sure.
Definitely someone. Oh, I see you guys, I think. Are you coming out?
Probably
You guys
is.
see your entrance?
It's really wet mud right there. Ugh. Probably was.
Was that you?
No, it was Max. Being disgusting. Yeah. Yeah, probably.
Probably an hour.
I think this is back where we were, so I'm just gonna go check it out. I'll radio if it's something interesting. Ugh. Yeah, it's nothing interesting.
It's nothing.
It's what we just saw. Children, ready? Max? Ready? Ready? Ready, Liam? Go. It's 10 seconds.
God damn it! I left because I was looking.
There's something concrete over here. It's not a tunnel, but it's something. There's a sign.
I did. Oh wait. Oh, look, this is it.
No, it's fucking not.
Max.
No, look. I just walked through it.
I would laugh a lot.
Mount Everest.
That's actually it. We're here. Fucking hell.
That's quite a drop.
Josh falls through, goes to Fort Carroll.
I mean, I can't see anything. I can't see a tunnel entrance because if I go any further, I'd fall.
You want to go down?
If you want to go down, go ahead.
You look for us.
Wait, you're not going down?
I'm not coming down there unless there's a tunnel hole. Have fun.
Max, go walk down that. So Max, you go down there, walk down that way. See the little concrete, the foundation area? Walk down there. Use your radio. We'll find that way.
Yeah, Trailblaze.
Hey Max, read this.
You're the one who wants to find this fucking.
What's it called?
You're the one who wants to find this tunnel to fucking Carroll.
Don't roll your ankle.
Jesus Christ.
Wait, I need to do my...
Yeah, I have it. You can go from that.
Let's go, Max. Double time. Where did he fucking go? We're free from the small brain.
Hang on, let me get a closer step to the coast.
So he is over there. Instead of talking to the woman.
I'm gonna see if there's anything unusual. You were too afraid to talk to the fucking lady, weren't you?
Little
thing. What's the
bitch.
thing then? What's that thing?
That's probably part of the fort. And I don't know.